In January 2020, Wings of Aero has published a book titled Aircraft Design Guidebook. So, which was authored by Aishwarya Dara and myself. Actually, the book was first time presented in IIT Jammu. This book is very much helpful to the beginner. So, those who are beginning their career in designing the aircraft, they can be from any branch. Apart from aerospace, they can be from any branch, mechanical or computer science or EC student. So if you want to design an aircraft, so this book published by Wings of Aero, which is very much helpful to understand the basics of aircraft designing and to the advanced skills which we need to know before designing the aircraft. So this we have done in January 2020. In February 2020, yeah, as the slide shows, we didn't done that much. But apart from that, we have given a gate solution of 2020, and the videos have been uploaded in our YouTube channel, Wings of Aero YouTube channel. So the sessions have been basically done by Miss Aishwarya Dara, and she has explained each and every questions depending upon subject wise, from structures, from propulsion, from aerodynamics, from flight mechanics. So that was done in February 2020. Nothing much about research we have done in 2020. But March 2020, that was one of the wonderful month in the entire year of 2020, because we have represented at ISRO academic meet in Dehradun, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, as well as we have also delivered a lecture at IIT Mandi about hypersonic vehicle. Since hypersonic vehicles are not that much spoken or not that much researched topic in India, only very few, we can count like less than 1,000 people around that nation is working on hypersonic field. So in IIT Mandi, we have delivered the lecture about hypersonic vehicles, and then you know that we have seen the corona and lockdown, right, due to the COVID-19. So in April 2020, as we understood the development of digital learning platform, so our Wings of Aero team has developed a digital learning platform called Tems. Previously it was known as Tems Academy, and it has been renamed to Tems. So when we have used the term called Tems, it stands for technology, engineering, math and science. So we are focusing on aerospace. We have focused on aerospace, where we are providing certified courses in aircraft design, aerodynamics, structures, and many research oriented subjects. So that is one of the biggest achievement we have done in April 2020, and today we are having 14,000 users. So think about that, within a month, 6 months or 7 months, 6 to 7 months, we have attained 14,000 users, not only from our country, from many parts of the world, even from US and UK, as well as from Singapore. So many people have enrolled into our platform, and they have started to learn the aerospace science. And the feedback we have received from the users, it is really we are more enthusiastic to upgrade the system, and till now we are maintaining the system in a high cost manner. So this is one of the development we have done, and we have written 2 research paper on this particular digital learning platform development. So you just Google our name, you can easily identify the Tems research article, okay, how we have developed and what are the things we have upgraded in the platform. So in May 2020, it is the month where we have focused on international lecture series. Since COVID-19, the students are started to behave like lazy, and they are watching movies, playing games, and of course they are having good entertainment after the COVID lockdown. But in order to bring them back to the research oriented, to the advanced learning oriented, we have taken the initiative to contact the international scientists and professors, and also we have invited many people from NASA, and ISRO, even Indian Institute of Astrophysics, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, and apart from that, we have invited from University of Bristol, and one of the famous professor, Mohammad Sadre. He delivered a lecture on aircraft design, advanced UAV system he has delivered. So those lectures have made Wings of Aero to reach into a new height. Before that, many institutions might have tried to bring Mohammad Sadre or scientists from NASA. So when Wings of Aero has started this international lecture series, we have received many collaborative opportunities from various institutions, but till now we have not entered into any collaborative work or collaborative uh, progress by for doing research. But we are receiving many proposals, but we have putting that in hold. We have kept it in the hold. Surely in 2021 we will be collaborating with many institutions. So June 2020, yes, the month of June is another remarkable event we have done, because we have invited SpaceX co-founder. His name is Mr. Jim Cantrell. So he has delivered a lecture on space systems to launch 100 satellites. So this was one of the interesting topic, and the entire nation, like we have collaborated this even with Panorama Science Center, Kurukshetra Panorama Science Center, and obviously the event was one of the remarkable event in 2020 for Wings of Aero, and we have received many appreciations for bringing SpaceX co-founder for delivering a lecture in the country for the first time. So the next one is, apart from having Jim Kendall, we have many scientific people from Zen, Switzerland Zen, right? And also we have invited various people from nationwide as well as international professors on this during time. During June, April and May also we have invited. So nearly 40 plus people have delivered lecture, and more than 40,000 students have enrolled in those lectures. In July 2020, so in order to bring a professional profile book, like a social media, Facebook or Instagram, right? So we have come up with an idea to bring those who are research oriented, those who are focusing on research. So to bring them together, we have developed a web-based application called Research Meet or Tems Meet. So this we have done in July 2020. Apart from that, we have also included a new web-based application called Airfoil CAD base. So one of our young intern is working on this Airfoil CAD base. His name is Yagnik Varia. He has already added more than 100 CAD files in that platform. So if you are really interested to download the CAD files, then you can use this Airfoil CAD base platform. So this we have done in July 2020. And September 2020, 15 interns, nearly 15 interns are working on a web-based application called Tems Calculator. So many of us might have done numerical analysis, by using hands-on calculation, right? We might have done iteration process. So while designing an aircraft or any mathematical problems, any mathematical problems, we need to follow many step-by-step procedures, right? So in order to bring that step-by-step procedure easier, right, and also to make numerical analysis easier, right? So we have developed a web-based application called Tems Calculator. And our interns, near about 15 interns, namely like Mohan Kumar, Chandan Singh, and Mohit Kudal, right? Irfan Mujaffar, and many people are there. Okay, so they are developing Tems Calculator day by day. Actually, we would like to release the official statement about Tems Calculator by today, but unfortunately, we don't have enough data to release the Tems Calculator officially today. So we will be re-releasing, and the dates will be announced soon. But this is one of the important web-based application, not only for Wings of Aero, it will be very much helpful for each and every student, scientist, professors to develop and to understand the numerical analysis. Okay, when they are working on new projects, so this will surely help them to make numerical analysis easier. So in October 2020, World Space Week was there. So we have organized 7-day programs. Continuously we have organized 7-day programs with National Council of Science Museum collaboration, Gurukshetra Panorama and Science Center. We have explained about International Space Station, we have explained about a hypersonic vehicle, we have explained about NASA's open source softwares, and also we have developed an application, Android application called Locate ISS. So this will help us to identify the location of International Space Station. Surely you can download from Google Play Store and you can have a look. Apart from locating the International Space Station, you can also see the live streaming of what and how the International Space Station is. The Earth is seen from International Space Station. Okay, so the live streaming of International Space Station is also provided in the same application. So you can give a try for that. So in November 2020, again we have entered into the web development. So we have developed a Tems shop. It is our digital platform which will have the 3D printer models, lithophane, and other products developed by Wings of Aero. And still it is under development, so we have not yet announced about this Tems shop. So surely we will upload Tems shop developed website and platform soon. By the end of March we will be announcing that. And in December 2020 we understood and we have learned many things from the year 2020. We have also collaborated with the AACT to provide internship for the students, and we have done many things like developing hypersonic vehicles, focusing on space capsules, how to design space capsules, and we have done various model of designing also. Apart from that, we are working on Udan scheme also. Udan scheme, how to design an aircraft for 20 to 30 seater passenger with 30 seater passengers. So those research oriented programs also we have conducted, and we have seen the trustworthy people like those who will be together as a team even in failures, and also we have seen betrayal of the team. But surely we will be coming up with a good research oriented programs in 2021. We are focusing on 3D printing technology, we are focusing on aircraft design, aerospace vehicle design, and also we are focusing on hypersonic vehicles in the 2021. We are also taking interns. So if you are really interested in doing ACT internship, so surely you can join with our team. And with this, I would like to end the review of 2024 Wings of Aero. Surely, we wish you a happy new year and wish you all the success in 2021.